This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna top this, nothing like we've ever seen. And I raise my hands to the sky, what a feeling, 'cause I feel like dancing high, got a feeling, time to feel it. This is where it all begins.
Birthday sa aking pinakamamahal na anak. Magpakabait ka palalo, mag-aral ka mabuti at sana matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo.
Wish ko sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad. Maswerte ako kasi napakabait mong bata. Ayoko magdrama. Ayoko nang pahabain, basta alam mo na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal ko kayong magkakapatid. Happy birthday, anak!
Don't think about tomorrow, today we are heroes, here adventure call. There are whole new worlds to see, I keep running, and my feet keep lifting me, like I'm flying. Time to see it. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. 'Cause this could be the best day of our lives, yeah. This is where it all begins.
Happy birthday, Eliza! Happy legality and more birthdays to come. May God bless you and I love you.
Enjoy your day, Intan. Thank you. I love you, Intan.
This is where it all begins.